Hi guys, today I want to show you the dog printed by the DLP technology and use transparent resin. This dog is very tiny. You can see I put it on my keyboard and from the size comparing you can see that this dog, its eyes, its hair is very clear, right? This is our new material. It is semi-transparent now. If we paint it with oil, it will be totally clearly apart, a clear part. So let me show you more details. Change another angle and see. Okay, this dog, can you see? I only use the phone, use my mobile phone to take this video, and can see the details very clearly. So the detail performance is really good of our DLP technology service. If you like this, welcome to contact with us. Okay.